Good morning, good morning, good morning. My name is Tam and I'm the owner of Surfing Lizard. Today, very quickly, I'm going to show you how to make a quick coffee for myself. So pretty much we have milk here. We use brown. This is not sponsored by Brown, but this is what we use. So just want to let you know this is the best one. So don't go anywhere and try anything else. This is the best already. Don't waste your time going to. Oh, of course it's more expensive, but it's worth it. Now we're steaming the milk. Okay, ready. Wipe it and test again. See, very powerful. And then we're gonna pour in. And let's see, there's a coffee. Here you go, ready? Let's go, 3, 2, 1. Got a Swan! You like it, Lenny?
Yeah, it's really good.
Now we do, try it. Ready? Set, go. Double Swan, double wing Swan. Here you go, this is 2 of my coffee today. And I challenge you can do this. Have fun, bye.